channel. My name is Atrey, and on this channel I talk about makeup, reviews, hauls, a little bit of fashion as well. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so I was getting many requests on this particular product's review. So I thought let's do the review in front of you guys. So I'm talking about none other than Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. So अगर आपने मेरा Nykaa haul नहीं देखा है, I have already shared that I got this palette and it was on 50% discount, and still the palette was pretty expensive. For people like you and me, it's like 2600. So 2600 is a big deal for me as well as for you, I know that. But still ना guys, क्या होता है कि कुछ कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं that you really like to try out. Especially I am in this type of, I won't call it a profession, but in this kind of hustle where I have to try new makeup products, and it was my dream to try Huda Beauty palettes. So last year भी मैंने एक palette खरीदा था, if you remember. If you haven't checked out the review, I'm going to link it down. So वो जो था वो 9 pan eyeshadow palette था, and I don't remember the name exactly. वो red type का palette आता है, उसका मैंने review किया था. I was blown away with the kind of quality of the shadows. मतलब इतने smooth shadows मैंने कभी अपने life में use नहीं किए थे. That's why I went ahead and I bought this one. In fact, rose gold palette was also on discount, but ना मुझे ये वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, so I got this one. So now talking about the packaging, this is how the packaging looks like. तो ये ना इसकी outer packaging है, इसका जो ये holographicness है, I mean, this is amazing. I mean, this makes me smile and look at it so much, admire. Also one more thing guys, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 7 types के look दिखाऊंगी using this palette. Yes, you heard me right. So I was doing this series on my Instagram where I was sharing 7 types of looks using this palette. So I'm going to insert all the looks here. And now I know that because मैं इस palette को बहुत use कर चुकी हूँ, तो मुझे पता है कि what to expect from this type of palette. Now बहुत बड़ी intro हो गई है. Now let's get started with the review. This is how the palette looks like. It has this very nice holographic type of outer packaging. That's how it looks like, and it has pretty Huda on it. You do get a lot of information at the back, starting from the pricing and the date of export and manufacturing date and everything. That's how the product looks like. And you also have this barcode over here. Yeah, so that's what. So guys, from inside the packaging looks like so. It is very reflective, very holographic, and you can see there is this film attached to it, जो कि मैंने अभी भी नहीं निकाला है because I wanted it to be like this for a while. And अंदर भी आपको सारी info मिल जाएगी. And now let us open the palette. This is how the palette looks like. Now tell me this isn't beauty. I mean, this palette has so many pretty color. You get a full size mirror, and then you also have the film. मैंने अभी तक इसकी film हटाई नहीं है. Then you have Huda Beauty written over here, and look at these shades. I mean, I am so stunned by the shades this palette has, and as you can tell that I have used this palette quite a lot, so you can see how this looks like up close. Now it does have a lot of shimmery colors, and this color right over here is a glitter color, and this is also a glittery shade, and rest these are pressed glitters. I would say not pressed glitters, but these are very glittery and very nice pressed type of shades. And if you can see here, this is a very reflective shade. Even this one is very reflective shade, and you have so many matte colors over here, and you have this vibrant color which is so gorgeous. I just can't even tell you how these are super pigmented. Guys, these are the swatches of all the shimmery shade, and just look at them. They are so gorgeous and बहुत ही सुंदर pigmented glittery shades हैं. I mean, one thing is this इसके जो glitter shades हैं वो बहुत ही pigmented है, बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत प्यार से आपके आईज पे दिख जाते हैं. अगर आपका डस्की स्किन टोन भी है तो भी ये बहुत ही सुंदर से आपके चेहरे पे दिखेंगे. एंड ये वाला जो शेड है ये बहुत रिफ्लेक्टिव है. दिस इज सो प्रिटी गाइज. ये इसके सारे आई वुड से मैट कलर्स है, एंड आप देख रहे हैं जो ये वाला कलर है जिसका नाम है हेज. दिस इज सो पिगमेंटेड, इज रियली पिगमेंटेड आई वुड से. एंड इवन द लाइलैक कलर एंड ऑल द पिंक शेड्स आर very pigmented, and there is only one deep color, that is Vortex. Now you can use Vortex for your smoky eyes. And only one thing I felt that इसमें transition shade जो है ये वाला and ये वाला, these two are not very नॉट वेरी पिगमेंटेड, आई मीन आई वुड से दैट वो डस्ट के स्किन टोन के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से नहीं दिखेंगे. अदर देन दैट ऑल द कलर्स आर वेरी पिगमेंटेड. Okay guys, so like I said, all the glitter shades are so pigmented. इसके जो मैट्स भी है वो भी बहुत पिगमेंटेड है. ओनली एक चीज मैं बताऊंगी, ये जो यहाँ पे शेड है क्रैश एंड कार्मा, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर दैट मैटर यूटोपिया, दिस इज okay. So these shades, they look like a brown shade, brown transition shade, but as and when you apply onto your lids, they just turn into a pink color. तो इसके अंदर ट्रांजिशन शेड्स बहुत सारे नहीं हैं, तो दैट वॉज अ बमर. एंड वट आई फील इज दैट हेज जो शेड है, it is so amazing, not at all patchy, it looks very pretty on dusky skin tone. and ये जो इसका lavender भी shade है, and ये वाला जो shade है, it is so light. so might be अगर आप मेरे से dark हो, even people of my skin tone, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा एक bummer हो सकता है, because they are not very flattering on Indian skin tone. So that's what I felt. Other than that, I feel the glitters are amazing. Even some of the mattes are supremely pigmented. सिर्फ जो ये वाला shade है, again Vortex, जो कि एक deep shade है, this is a little bit patchy. So please make sure make these things, keep in your mind before buying this palette, because it does not blend that well. This becomes a little bit patchy. This is Vortex. So you will see in the video also that I was having struggle while blending it. Need to have supremely good blending powers, then only you can blend Vortex in your eyelids. So now let's move towards the looks which I created using this palette, and it's a versatile palette. You can definitely create more looks, but this is a very easy go palette, and if you are a beginner, I won't suggest you this palette because all the shades are not very beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner, please do not get this palette. Get some other palette first and then get this palette as and when you start doing makeup. But the glitter shades are my favorites from this palette. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's get started with the looks which I created. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And will I recommend this palette? Yes, I will recommend this palette, but not on its full price. That means 5300 something ka ye palette hai. I won't recommend you to buy at that price. Just wait for discount and then you can buy it. So yeah, that is about it, and I will rate this palette 8 out of 10 just because a few shades, they are not very flattering on the skin tone. Otherwise, this is a really good palette. It's a very unique palette. I mean, I haven't seen the shades in any other palette, so I would say it's a pretty nice buy. So you can definitely go ahead and buy this palette. So that was about my review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.